today we're seeing what people could offer from a neon parrot, but I haven't got great pets anymore, and I might be quitting YouTube, so this is an amazing offer, but I'm going to have to decline. So, oh my gosh, if they accepted, I don't really know, because the neon queen bees, not really like them that much, but like, it's pretty cool. But yeah guys, I might be quitting Roblox, I'll tell you well later in the video, but yeah. I'm going to decline. I'm looking for something good. Like this. No. I attacked once. I don't want it again. So if we go. Oh, there's a bat dragon. I'll do it for a bat. I mean. There's a neon. Oh, come on, mate. This is a brilliant offer for neon owl. Probably can't really add any more. So. Okay, they put it in. Oh my gosh, come on. Is it full grown? It's full grown. So, they added a red dragon. Do they want to do this trade? I mean, I'd love to do it, but I don't know. Oh my gosh. You know what? I don't really want to do that trade. So, I add fucking bees and accept. Because I feel like that's what. Okay, decline now. So. Oh my gosh, if they accepted, guys. If they accept, I'm literally going to freak out. Oh my gosh, come on. Ugio, 1, 2, 3. You're the one who traded me. What did he say? Please add, please. Well, I've got nothing much though, like, so I can't really add. Like that. Ride pet, please. I don't have any ride pets. I mean, I have that, but like, don't want to give that away. Maybe that. Maybe not the starfish. Oh, you declined. Well, I don't want to give a starfish away. Davy ants. Come on. Oh my gosh. No, thank you. Good offer, but no thanks. He wants this, I can tell. And I want his neon thing. And this girl wants king bees. That's a good offer. Keep the bat dragon in, I'll accept. She's a flexing now. Flexa. Decline. Right, and now let's put this in. I can already make neon king geese, so I'm just going to shade in that. There you go, so decline. So this is a rich server. I was trying to get on a different rich server like forever. It was like, oh my gosh, can you just hurry up? I literally waited half an hour to get on. So I was like, oh my gosh. I really want that neon owl, and I think he wants this as well. So I'm not really sure what to do. This person keeps giving me the same offer, which I don't want. Nah. So I'm gonna trade. Oh, I was gonna trade. I would have trade. If she accepted, I'd be like no, because the parrot and the giraffe didn't come from the same egg, but this is basically in like a parrot neon plant, so I'm gonna decline that. That's not a worth it trade. See what this person's offering. A neon turtle. I don't want a neon turtle, so sorry, no. So I have got a few, like, I really want the bat, but then I don't know. Like, oh, I know it's not really worth what I'm giving, but like, okay, Oogie. I think he'll accept if I. Let's see if he'll accept. I will not be sure. if he accepted, I just wish I had. No. I wish I had my ride crocodile right now. No, same person, not going to do that trade. No, extreme gamer either. No, thank you. No, thank you. So, I want this owl though. Why does this guy keep following me? I want the owl so badly. There's a neon blue dog. No one really wants them anymore, but I'll offer my neon parrots, see if they'll accept. Nobody wants them, but you know. So mine's also called blue. Don't know if she'll accept. I'm probably going to decline. Because I like this more, if you see what I mean, guys. So let's see what So this, I really want this new, yeah, I'm going to get my starfish out. Oh. Oogie. And add like, I don't know, I'm just going to accept. I don't want to add. Like, this is kind of worth it on its own. Because more people want parrots. So it's like, you know. Okay, I'm still filming, which is good. Like, I don't know. Come on, bruh. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, I want that desperately. Like, the piece of twinkle. That he has a twinkle. And then I have a parrot. And then I have a neon parrot. He's a neon owl. And I feel like people more obviously want the neon owls. But then I want it. So I gotta keep trying. He said, just trade. No scam. Oh. Accidentally in private chat with her. There's a shadow dragon. What's that? See, I traded a neon albino monkey, a rideable parrot, and an Aussie egg for this, so I'm gonna decline. So like, okay, so this person is flower. I don't even know if I want that. Cause like I do it for like I don't know what I keep. Guys, I'm just not gonna have good pets anymore. But you know, at least I've got a neon parrot, which I love. This person, stop trading me. Okay, let's try get this person's. Yes, you can offer. Just trade me. Like, it's back, but I don't want to trade my own thingy for it. So maybe if I do 4 king bees, they might accept. Why will no one take 4 king bees? There's literally a mega neon giraffe. Like, I've never seen that in a trade before, but I've seen it in like. I've seen it, but not in a trade. So I want to see what it's like. Anybody? Okay, trade. Neon bee. I already have a neon bee. And plus, I wouldn't be willing to do that trade at all. So, yeah. So guys, so we're coming to the end of the video now. So the reason is why I'm quitting. It's because I'm not going really well with everything. And obviously I've gained less subscribers and I haven't got great pets. Well, you guys think that, and so not best. So I'm gonna have to quit soon. Comment down below if you want me to or not. Well, and comment what I could do then if you don't want me to. I mean, let's accept this first. Okay, they decline. Well, we're gonna do the last few trades. See what we can get. So I'm gonna turn my trades off now. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. Bye. Might not see you in the next one because I might be quitting, but I will say if I am. Bye.